Hi, it's Ms. Meyer here to talk to you about how to navigate this document, assignment number 53, the Hub, Quarter 3 Choice Table and Tasks. First thing you want to make sure to do is read all of the directions very carefully and ask your teacher if you have any questions at all about what you're supposed to do. Notice that it says must do, complete at least 3 tasks under each column in order to show your progress and proficiency in each quarter 3 standard. The directions state, look over the choice table on the next page. Identify the assignments or tasks you have already completed and highlight them in green. Identify the assignments or tasks that you plan to complete in each column, 3 for each column, at least 12 tasks total. Once you have selected those assignments that you plan to complete, highlight them in yellow. I will model how to do this in a moment. Note number 1 says, assignments in italics have already been assigned earlier in the quarter. There is still an opportunity to complete and/or revise those assignments. Note number 2 is extremely important and states, some assignments show your growth toward more than one standard. So now we're going to scroll down to look at this choice table, and I'm going to show you what to do if you have completed an assignment already. First, you'll notice that 4 columns have specific standards that we have been working toward throughout our work in quarter 3. First standard is to interpret words and phrases. Second is to write arguments to support claims. Third is to read closely and cite text evidence. And finally, the fourth is to prepare for and participate in a range of conversations with diverse partners. When I look at each of the assignments listed on the left-hand side, and then I cross-reference those with the different standards across the different columns, I notice that when there is a white box under a particular standard and for a particular assignment, it means that that is the assignment that matches with that particular standard. For example, assignment number 43, Hill We Climb Soapstone Edpuzzle, worked toward our understanding and our proficiency in the standard of interpreting words and phrases. Similarly, assignment number 45, My Soapbox Soapstone, worked toward the standard of writing arguments to support claims, and so on. As I'm identifying the assignments that I've already completed, I want to look at my list of assignments that are turned in and possibly already graded in Google Classroom. When I have identified those assignments, for example, if I've already completed and turned in assignment number 43, Hill We Climb, then select that particular box on the table, and I choose the Fill All, identify that as assignment I've completed by highlighting it in green. If I've already completed my soapstone, I'll do the same thing. Select the box and then fill all with the green highlight. Your goal is to have 3 green boxes in each column in order to show your work toward and your proficiency in each of these standards. Just like it said in the directions, all of the assignments that we've already dealt with for Soapbox are in italics. You can still work on them and turn them in order to show your work toward each of the standards they are a part of. Now we're going to get into what to do with these extra assignments that you can choose from in order to show your proficiency in each of the standards. Please note that your conference with a teacher, which will take place during class or during office hours, is a required element of this table. Everyone will conference with a teacher, and that conference will work toward your proficiency in each of the standards we are dealing with this quarter. So you can go ahead and highlight all of those in yellow, something you plan to do.